At age 2, we expect our kids to be able to count consecutive from 1 to 10. So this next activity is going to add that in to make sure that they can count from start to finish, from 1 to 10. But we're also adding the one-on-one correspondence, which means one item belongs to one number. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to use counters or chips. In this case, we've been working with the shape threading beads. So we're just going to use that for our activity. You're going to need your counters and you're going to need a bottle, or you can transfer that number to. What I want you to make sure is that you encourage your child to say the number, okay? Not just put the chips in it, but I want them to say the number so that they can do the counting. One of the things that you're going to see in the video is that I point to my mouth when I say the number, because we'll look at you where you're pointing. So if I'm pointing here, I say 1, their brain is going to want to mimic or replicate what I'm saying. So sometimes not even words are going to come out. They're going to just at least mimic the word. So you're going to say 1, put the chip in, 2, and you want to put your point it 2 so they see it, what you're doing. Okay, so I'll show you a little video how I did it with Sadia so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Say 1. Sadia. 1. 2. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.